Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my estate video. This is amazing, right? Yesterday, I did a video about the ARDR being registered in the United Kingdom, right? And today, estate has completed a legal registration in Canada. So, for those of our friends that are in Canada, estate is now officially registered in your own country, so you can have rest of mind and have the ability to continue to purchase your properties in estate. For those that don't live in Canada, anybody that is associated with estate, this is a good thing for all of us, right? So I just want to quickly share a copy of that certificate. This is a copy of the certificate that has been completed legally, registered in Canada, right? That is the name of the corporation, Estate Holdings Limited, and this is the corporation number. So this is the registration number, right, of Estate. If you go to Canada website, the official Canadian website of companies, of corporations, if you use this name or use this number, okay, this corporation number, and search for the certificate or search for the dates or the information to confirm, this is really, really great because you can confirm this. And I can testify to that because I have gone to check the Canadian website, and I can see when you search for federal corporation on the Canadian website here, okay, Government of Canada, you will notice that the search returned one result with the corporate name as E-Estate Holdings Limited, and you will see that this is E-Estate Holdings, and then the status is active, and the corporation number is this, and the business number is this. So if you click into the E-Estate Holdings, it will open up and give you more information, as you can see from here. Okay, so this is the overview of everything that you have seen from the certificate, and it says order copies of corporate document and certificate. So if you wish to do this, you just go ahead to this website and do this if you wish, but I don't think there's any need for you to request a copy of that because I already have a copy of it and I can share this with you guys, right? For those of you that are interested, if you want a copy of this, let me know, please. I will send it over to you for you to keep as a copy, just in case if you want to share that with your with your team members. But again, this is part of the Vision 2034 roadmap that they have in estate. It's part of the global expansion and trust building across the whole community. So this is what we are talking about. Yesterday, as I said to you, there was a video I released about the ARDR, which is part of estate partnership that has been registered officially as well in United Kingdom, right? Association of Real Digital Realtors. That is the full meaning of ARDR. This has been registered in the United Kingdom as well recently, and you can even go to the United Kingdom's website. Okay, go to the company website and then search for the information. You will see that all the information is there for you to just view and confirm yourself. So again, this is great for everybody in estate that they have legally and officially registered the company in Canada. So for those that are looking to join estate, okay, based on this information, if you want to join estate, the link to do so is below this video description. And when you join, register, complete your KYC, and then if you want to purchase your property, remember to use the profit calculator. Okay, logging into your account, go to buyers, okay, and then you will see the profit calculator. So with the profit calculator, you'll be able to check how much you want to deposit to purchase a fraction of your real estate and how much you intend to earn. The minimum to start estate here is $10, as you can see from there. Okay, minimum to start is $10, and you will start with this apartment in Miami. Okay, this is a lovely apartment. However, I don't recommend that people should start with $10. Even though the company said you should start with $10, that does not mean that you will start with $10, because when you do, you are going to be earning very little. Okay, but when you do, start with something like the villa, right? I am recommending this because this is the most popular one, right? And it's almost sold out. As you can see, they have sold a fraction of this property, $562,252. Okay, out of 866,000. So you need to hurry up before this one will be sold out, just like the one that we have right here that has been sold out. Yeah, just like this one. This apartment has been sold out. This one was originally in Seattle, right? So this has been sold out. You don't want to sit down and wait for the villa property to be sold out. So you need to join now and purchase a fraction of this if you would like to be earning up to $19 on a daily basis. And then, of course, in a month, you should be looking at a floating rate of up to $400, okay, $399 that you can see from there. So again, this is a good recommendation for people. However, okay, what I am trying to tell you here is that if you start with a lower amount, you will earn lower profit. If you start with a higher amount, you will earn a considerable moderate profit, right? So again, it's entirely up to you what you want to do, but the link to sign up is below this video description, and I am more than happy to assist you. If you are stuck somewhere, please contact me on my WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or my Telegram if you wish to contact me. Otherwise, all the videos I have done to assist you to register, complete your KYC, and of course purchase a fraction of your property, all the videos are right there below this video description. So click the link, join, and get started in eState. Thank you, and God bless.